Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. In this episode, let me present before you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the trading day 5th May 2022. Before I proceed with my presentation, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. If you are using the content for trading, always take the help of SEBI certified investment professional. So now before I proceed with my presentation, for those who are planning to open the demat and trading accounts, I advise you to open with Upstock, a leading stockbroker and a trustworthy broker. For opening the accounts, I have provided the link in the description box. So now firstly, let me concentrate on the open interest positions. Today is all important expiry day. How you should take your trade before the expiry, whether there is any zero or hero call. So I'll make one small analysis and present before you. So now first let me concentrate on the open interest. So there is maximum open interest build up at 17,000. So you can see at 17,000. Let me just bring the pen tool. Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. In this episode, let me bring to you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the trading day 5th May 2022. So before I proceed with my presentation, let me tell all my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. If you are using the content for trading, always take the help of SEBI certified investment professional. So now let me come to the analysis now. Before I proceed, for those who are yet to open your demat and trading accounts, I advise you to open your accounts with Upstock, a leading stockbroker and a trustworthy broker. So now let me straight away come to my presentation. So first let me concentrate on the open interest. So Nifty open interest chart is on your screen. So now you can see there is a very high build up of call build up at 17,000, and next call build up is at 17,100. So 17,000 and 17,100 is going to be a major resistance, and we can see also a call build up at around 16,900. So first resistance is around 16,900 followed by 17,000. Now on the put side, uh, let me show you. Put side, the highest put build up is around 16,800. 16,800 would act as a strong support, followed by 16,900. 16,900 also a small call writing has taken place. So 16,800 major, and if it breaks, hardly any support there. Next is 16,500. Okay, this is what the Nifty analysis. So maximum pain is around 16,900. Okay, because call and puts are almost equal, so maximum pain is at around that level. So let me focus on the change in open interest. So this is the change. You can see, compared with yesterday, there is a very big change that has taken place. Some people have aggressively written puts for this expiry at around 16,800. So 16,800 will be a major support, and some people have written even puts at around 16,900, and there is very big call writing that has taken place around 17,000. 17,000 is going to be the major resistance. 16,800 and 900 are going to be supports for the day. All important expiry day. Now let me come to the bank nifty, very important bank nifty trade for the day. So let me concentrate on bank nifty. So the open interest positions in bank nifty on your screen. So you can see the biggest put. So this one is 35,600, highest put rating. This is change, highest put rating. This is change in open interest, and you can see hardly any call writings. There is compared with yesterday, 36,000. There is some call writing, okay, but put writing is at many levels. So 35,600, then we have got 35,500, 35,500. So many places. So 35,600 is going to be a major support, and 36,000 will be resistance for the day. Let me come to the open interest. Yeah, what is open interest indicating? Yeah, 36, highest call rating. Okay, and the maximum put rating is around 35,700, and then we have got 35,500. So 35,700 support, 36,000 is going to be the resistance. So this is what we can see from the open interest and change in open interest positions. Market would range from 35,500 to 36,000 on the upside. Okay, now let me come to the all important FI statistics in derivatives. So what do you see? Bring it down. Yeah, FIs, majority of their positions are in put still. So you can see they are long in puts, and also they have shorted the index. And retail clients, you can see they have aggressively long. So chances of market going downwards are imminent, and even the pros are long. Pros are long in the index, and pros have shorted the call aggressively. Okay, so higher level there is going to be a very big resistance. So FIs are on the shorter side. FIs are on the shorter side, both in index as well as in the puts. So they are on the long side. Yeah, so next let me come to the FI statistics. So FI statistics, let me go. So FI statistics, let me show you on the screen. This is yesterday's data. FIs were selling. Yeah, so they have got a big selling figure yesterday. And what about the DIs? DIs were supporting the market. DIs were supporting the market because of the LIC IPO. So next let me focus on the Nifty and Bank Nifty charts. So let me first come to the Nifty. Yeah, what do you see on Nifty? So Nifty is just trading above the let me mark, just trading above the upper range of the central pivot range, so that is 16,894, and after a very big sell off yesterday, markets gapped up today and they are trading above the central pivot range, and based on our open interest and all other data, if there is a very big support at around 16,870, so you can go long for a target of 17,000. 17,000 would be a major resistance, and on the downside, if 16,870 breaks, this level is broken, then you can expect lower levels. You can sell Nifty for a target of 16,755 during the day. So best thing is sell on rallies very near to 17,000. So that is the best trade, and 17,000 would be a strong resistance, and now it is just on the upper range of the central pivot range. If that one breaks, then we can have lower levels, and you can play for a target of 16,755. Now let me lastly come to the Nifty Bank chart. Yeah, so where is Nifty Bank chart? Also same like the Nifty. It is just above the upper range of the central pivot range. So upper range is around 35,716, just above. If the market is continuously trading below 35,716, you can sell for a target of 35,450. Okay, and Bank Nifty would have very stiff resistance at around 36,000. Yeah, so that is the Bank Nifty trade for you. Now if you are trading in Bank Nifty, if it moves around 36,000 level, you can short Bank Nifty for lower targets, and that is the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels and trade for you for the trading day 5th May 2022. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.